Hi Capricorn, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for April. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now, please also note that from this month, I will be starting a new series of videos as well for this channel. So please go ahead and subscribe this channel. Now let's quickly see what the month has in store for you. Now what I see here is you have the Six of Swords, the Temperance card and the Ten of Pentacles. Your person has the Nine of Pentacles, the Ten of Swords and the Knight of Cups. We'll also see what is the blockage in the relationship, what is the mutual feeling that both of you have, and what is the outcome of this relationship. Bottom of the deck, I have the Emperor card. So it could be that you are dealing with an Aries, okay, or somebody in the relationship will go ahead and assume a leadership position. All right. Now, what I see here for you is you have the Six of Swords. With that, you feel the burden of this relationship because you feel that this relationship is not balanced. Okay. So you don't feel that, this other person is putting in the same amount of effort towards this relationship that you are putting in, because ultimately you wanted the Ten of Pentacles with them, which means a steady family, a home, kids, okay, and that's something that you are not seeing right now because maybe this person is not putting in that effort, okay, and that's giving a lot of burden to you because you feel you are the only one doing things to make this relationship work. Your person, on the other hand, has the Nine of Pentacles, which means that they have a very single independent energy right now. Maybe they are currently not interested to be in this relationship. Okay, that's the kind of energy that they are showing to the world. That's also because of Ten of Swords. This could be because this person feels that they were backstabbed. Now, it could be that something that you did, or it could also be one of their previous experiences which is impacting the relationship, and they think that instead of being in a relationship, it's better to be single. Now this person also has a lot of love for you. Now that's the interesting thing, that this person loves you and would want to rush in and tell you that, but they somehow try to hold themselves back is what I see. Now what is the blockage in this relationship is the Two of Pentacles. Now it's very highly possible that either you or your person is currently dealing with another person, or it could be another situation, it could be a family member, something that they are trying to juggle along with this particular relationship. What is the common feeling that both of you have is the King of Swords, which means both of you would want to have a very honest conversation with each other. Let's go ahead and see what is the outcome of the relationship, which is the High Priestess, which means that if both of you have this inkling feeling that there is something, there's some secret that you are not told, but you know that there is something that's going on, then that will come out. Let's quickly see what is the intention of this person for you this week. The intention that I see here is the Ace of Pentacles, which means that they would want to offer you a new love, okay? This pentacle wherein they would want to build on this pentacle. Let's take another one here, which is the Page of Wands. Yes, this person has a lot of physical attraction towards you and they would want to, go ahead and have a good time with you. Now, what I also see is the Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords is when a person is blindfolded and not very sure whether they should proceed with this relationship and take it a step forward, or they are just confused, so they are stuck in that particular place. Now let's take one card here to understand what is the message from archangels for you and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So let's take one card here. Alright, the crystal that I see for you is the Peacock Copper. The crystal message is, are you in touch with your magnificence? Find ways to bring more joy into your life. Be aware of the source of your emotional challenges or perceived blocks so that you can release them. Get in touch with your inner radiance and shine your light brightly. The message here from Archangel Sandalphon, I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. And that's all I have for you for this particular month. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe the channel. Until next time, stay safe and love yourself first.